Quick unboxing, 5 minutes. CCA CRA just came in. So let's check it out, see how it goes, and let's open the box. Come on. As usual, a slide box. After an hour of shaking this box, cover does come out. And yes, I got the microphone version. So two beautiful jewelry like IMs here, and a nice cable here. So pretty standard ear tips, small ones, a little bit thinner than I thought. Maybe it will be convenient. Pretty light IMs body, and let's look at the cable. So this is the cable microphone. I'll test this right away, and I like this angle connector and standard 2 pins, all in white and gold. Very, very nice. This is it. I'll take a quick listen test and we'll see how it is. So first impression, it's okay to wear. They are typical, you know, this kind of CCA earphones, V or U shape sound very surprisingly pleasant without an amplifier. Well, the bass is well in the sub area. Without an amplifier, we get this whole effect on the mid-range, so the it sounds like a good stage, I would say. And treble is okay without an amplifier. When I'm adding a DAC or an amplifier, or even a simple one, the treble gets higher, and then for my opinion, it starts to annoy. Some people will love it. It really balances the bass in this headphones, but for my opinion, I would rather play it without amplifier, and then I get a little bit less treble, a little bit more bassy, I would say natural sound, like sparkling in the treble. Still, you got a pretty good amount of treble. It's a U-V shape earphone. So overall, for this price, I think it's a good deal, especially if you don't have an amplifier or DAC or USB-C converter. I like this angled connector. The quality of the connector looks good. The headphones are really nice. You get this golden accent that it looks very nice. A little bit of finger magnet, but you can't see it from far away, so it's very nice. And I think they are, if you like this U-V shape earphones, they are good buy, nothing extreme. That is it. I'll check the microphone later and maybe do a more in-depth sound hearing. I'm not sure I should, but I'll see while hearing it if I have some aspect that I didn't notice. And that is it. So this was a quick unboxing. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like. I'll put a link below for this very nice headphones. I'm glad they look very nice. If you are hearing everyday music and you want some bass, this is a really nice, cheap, good solution. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. I hope we made it in 5 minutes. So see you. Bye for now. See you next time.
I can hear your voice.